The USDA's Prospective Planting and Quarterly Stocks Report came out this morning. They put corn acres at 95.3 million acres this year, up about nearly 5 million acres from last year. And so a little bit above what the average trade was looking for. The average trade was at 94.3. They came in at 95.3. Despite that, which should be considered somewhat of a negative report, we're actually trading up higher. We bounced off of our lows in the corn, and I think a lot of that has to do with just a lot of it was priced into the market. You know, we've given up 30 cents in the last 10 days in the corn market, and so we're actually up 4.5 cents right now, despite the increase in corn acres. In the case of the soybeans, they pegged us at 83.5 million acres, slightly below what the average trade was looking for. No huge surprise there. You know, obviously, if we're increasing our corn acres, we got to take away from someplace. Kind of similar situation in the wheat, where they were pegged at 45.4 million acres, which is down 1 million from what the average trade guess was. In looking at cotton acres, similar situation where the trade was looking for a little bit over 10 million acres, and they came in at about 9.8 million acres. And so we can continue to reduce our cotton acre production, as you know, the cotton market has been kind of trading underwater in the cost of production. You know, what this does now to our ending stocks is of course, we're increasing our corn acres and we're increasing our production. You know, the USDA is projecting a record crop for this next season. And so based off of Commstock's projections, we kind of look for 2.18 billion bushels in ending stocks right now in the case of corn. You know, as an early season projection. Now, USDA, I don't think, comes out with their projections until May of this year. In the case of the soybeans, they're actually more friendly numbers. Early season projections are just slightly under 300 million bushels, which is the last couple of years we've been slightly over 300 million bushels. So a little bit more positive scenario. You know, but a lot of the biggest outlier obviously is the tariffs and what's going to happen with their exports. We can easily tack on 200 million bushels to our ending stocks just by cutting exports. And so we'll have to see what happens on Liberation Day.